Most people are using AI the wrong way, and that's why they're not making money. There's a hidden AI side hustle almost nobody talks about, and you don't need to show your face to do it. Right now, beginners use tools like ChatGPT to write random content. They generate ideas, but never build assets that actually pay them. And no, this isn't freelancing or YouTube automation. There's a smarter way. Smart creators are using AI to build digital products. Things like mini ebooks, prompt packs, simple niche guides. You create it once and sell it unlimited times. That's scalable income. Step 1, pick a simple niche like budgeting or productivity. Step 2, ask ChatGPT to create a structured guide. Step 3, format it cleanly inside Canva. Step 4, export as a PDF. Step 5, sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. No inventory, no shipping, just digital leverage. This won't make you rich overnight, but if you stay consistent, it can become real passive income. If you want a full step-by-step breakdown, subscribe to Passive AI Profits.